Ever had a job wrap up and you're counting down the minutes until that sweet cash hits your account? You're not alone, especially if you're using Housecall Pro. Let's dive into the burning question. How long does it actually take to see that hard-earned money in your bank? Now, you might think it's a simple answer, but it's not. There's more to it than meets the eye. We're talking payment methods, processing times, and even those pesky bank holidays. Picture this, you finish a job, you send the invoice, and then crickets. Days turn into nights and still no money. It can be frustrating, right? But fear not. We're about to break down everything you need to know. We'll cover the different ways Housecall Pro handles payments, the typical processing times for each, and even some tips to speed things up. We'll also tackle those common roadblocks that can slow down your cash flow. So, if you're tired of waiting around for your money, this video is your golden ticket. Let's get started and demystify this whole Housecall Pro payment process. First things first, let's talk about the different ways you can get paid through Housecall Pro. There are mainly two primary methods: credit card payments and ACH transfers. Credit card payments. This is probably the most common method for most contractors. It's convenient for customers, and it can be pretty fast for you. When a customer pays with a credit card, the money typically goes through an authorization process first. This is to make sure the card is valid and the funds are available. Once authorized, the money is usually held for a couple of days in a pending status. Now, the time it takes for the funds to actually hit your account depends on your payment processor and your bank. But generally, you can expect to see the money in your account within 2 to 5 business days. However, it's important to note that some banks might take a bit longer. ACH transfers. ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse. It's basically an electronic transfer of funds from one bank account to another. When you use ACH for payments, it's generally a bit slower than credit cards. The reason is that there are a few steps involved in the process. First, the money is transferred from the customer's bank to Housecall Pro's account. This can take a day or two. Then, Housecall Pro transfers the money to your account, which again can take another day or two. So, all in all, you could be looking at 3 to 5 business days for the funds to reach your account. But wait, there's more. There are a few factors that can affect these processing times. For instance, bank holidays can throw a wrench in the works. If a payment is initiated on a Friday and there's a bank holiday on Monday, it could delay the process by a couple of days. Another thing to consider is payment disputes. If a customer disputes a charge, it can put a hold on the funds until the issue is resolved. This can be a real pain, but it's important to stay on top of any disputes and provide the necessary documentation to clear things up. Now, let's talk about how you can speed things up. One option is to offer payment discounts for customers who pay upfront with cash or check. This can help improve your cash flow and reduce the risk of payment disputes. Another tip is to set up automatic recurring payments for your customers. This can help ensure a steady stream of income and reduce the time spent chasing down payments. And finally, consider using a faster payment option like InstaPay, offered by Housecall Pro. This service allows you to get paid instantly for credit card payments, subject to a small fee. So there you have it. The world of Housecall Pro payments isn't as complicated as it might seem. By understanding the different payment methods, processing times, and potential roadblocks, you can better manage your cash flow and avoid unnecessary stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.